a period of time after spraying, extremely tiny cracks are distributed in large areas of coating surface. They will eventually develop into cracks and penetrate the whole coating. Reasons. 1. Unmatching product is used in spraying. 2. Use incorrect ratio when mixing paint. 3. Unreasonable paint is chosen for spraying. 4. Coatings under the top coat or paints sprayed is too thick. Precautionary measures. 1. Paint should be mixed according to correct ratio, and all paint products should be fully mixed. 2. Coating thickness should be controlled in a proper range. Solutions. Coating with cracks should be removed until it reaches metal surfaces, and it should be refinished.